Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to change wallpaper on Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus. Let's begin. As you can see, we now have currently a Don't Starve Together wallpaper, and in order to change it we simply go to Settings, Wallpaper and Style, and simply choose the wallpaper we want to change. For example, here, or we can go press this button and we can also go through wallpaper and style, and in here we simply click wallpapers and we switch to something else, for example this built-in S, and now we can simply click done. And that's all for this video. If you found it helpful, please consider liking and subscribing. Thanks for watching.